scrap woods to treasure sustainable wood decor for modern homes. Have you ever looked at wooden scraps lying unused and wondered if they still hold value? What if something others call waste could become a beautiful part of your home and even a source of income? Welcome to our home decor channel, where creativity meets sustainability, and where both interior and exterior spaces are transformed through simple yet powerful ideas. This channel is all about inspiration, showing how everyday materials, especially wood scrap, can be turned into meaningful decor that adds warmth, character, and style to your home. Whether it's a cozy interior corner or an outdoor space that needs life, we explore ideas that are practical, affordable, and timeless. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video, share it with fellow decor lovers, and subscribe to our channel to support creative and sustainable living. Today's story is about turning wood scrap into treasure, how simple wooden leftovers can change the environment of a home, inspire creativity, and create new income opportunities. This is not about expensive designs or complex tools, but about simplicity, imagination, and the power of reusing what already exists. Wood has a natural warmth that no other material can replace. When wood scrap is used in home decor, it instantly changes the feel of a space. A small wooden shelf, a handcrafted wall panel, or a rustic table accent can make a room feel more welcoming and balanced. These elements connect us to nature, creating a peaceful environment that enhances comfort and emotional well-being inside the home. Interior spaces benefit greatly from wood scrap decor because of its versatility. Scrap wood can be shaped into frames, organizers, lamps, wall art, or furniture accents that fit both modern and traditional styles. Each piece carries a unique texture and history, making the decor personal and authentic. These handmade details often become conversation pieces that reflect creativity and thoughtful living. Beyond decoration, wood scrap projects offer strong income potential. With minimal investment, simple tools, and basic skills, scrap wood can be turned into products that are highly valued in today's market. Handmade, eco-friendly decor items are in demand, and many people are willing to pay premium prices for unique, sustainable designs. This makes wood scrap crafting a low-risk, high-return activity. Working with wood scrap is also deeply inspiring. The process of transforming discarded material into something useful builds confidence and creativity. It encourages problem-solving, patience, and innovation. For many, what begins as a hobby slowly grows into a small business or creative brand, proving that meaningful work does not always require large investments. The simplicity of wood scrap decor is what makes it powerful. There is no need for perfection. Natural imperfections add beauty and authenticity. Each finished piece tells a story of transformation and sustainability. If you're enjoying this journey of creativity and inspiration, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more ideas that turn simple materials into lasting value. Wood scrap is far more than leftover material. It is an opportunity. It has the power to transform home interiors and exteriors, inspire creativity, promote sustainable living, and generate income through simple, meaningful work. By seeing potential where others see waste, we can create homes that are warmer, more personal, and more inspiring. Thank you for watching, and if this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to our home decor channel. Together, let's continue turning scrap into treasure.